up, let the knowledge flow. That roller door bloke. He's that roller door bloke.
Today is probably one of the easiest fixes for a roller shutter controller that's not working. Let's get into it. Today we've got an Ozroll E-Port controller that controls 3 different roller shutters on a bay window. Only the center roller shutter is currently working because this one has a separate switching controller that switches between each roller shutter. So this one here, this is not working, and I'll show you why. Now I'm just using the knife from my multi-tool to pop the cover off, just like this, from the 3-way switching controller. Once it pops off, lift the cover off, and inside you'll find a very simple coin battery. You can also use your same tool to push the battery out of its holder like this. We'll just get a bit more light in the room, not heaps of improvement. So once you've pushed your battery out so far, you can pop it out, and this is a 2430 battery, 24 millimeters wide. Now I normally push these prongs in to make sure we've got a really good connection. I'll just give the battery a quick wipe and we'll pop it back in. You never know, sometimes they start working. And no power still. So if you haven't got a battery tester, just try a new battery. It's usually the fix. Now I've only got some 2032s. This just means the battery is 20 millimeters wide instead of 24. Still works exactly the same voltage. Much more easier battery to get from your local store. And that's it. We've got LEDs and we've got switching. Left roller shutter, center roller shutter, and far right roller shutter all working again. So there we go. Super easy fix. Just needed a new battery. Pop your cover back on. And there we go, all working again. So the Ozroll E-Port controller. There's the part numbers and sticker on the back. 18650 batteries in there. Easy as that. I'm that roller door bloke, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next great garage door tip. And remember, if this video helped you out and you've got a spare minute, jump onto Google, chuck us a quick review. This gives me more jobs and keeps these videos coming.
That roller door bloke.